dúirt a bannaú dúirtí gur cúsúla atá se agus bhí sé bunaí cúsa ón Astráil. Iad láthú me se go solas thar me cinnte cibhí se go bheith casalas.
Háise sin mu san Astráil a fear an John Reardon. Gus muinte aige faúda just daoine thuirte maithas an chuineal stíle bhí acu an stress agus an brú a an rád mína choristeatharú na febanna. Agus híl se just dhéad thuirt mudí an Outback san Astráil agus bína an néidir a an rud thart áthú. So de bhrí sin waithí Brendan Hone an smuinte seo agus híl se gur bhí rodnead nó grúp cosla sin na dheáil san éit seo go heirithe hús an seán in an áil.
We're going to do Marordy Beach today. It's a loop walk, about an hour and a half. It's not one of our longest walks, but just if you remember to bring water, a light rain jacket, and make sure that there's a radio between 2 or 3 people in the first group, and that you can see somebody ahead of you and behind you. You don't get lost. You'll not get lost. Pretty straightforward. Okay, so ready to go?
Tá just tá spes acu just an loradaí a réit.
I wandered in and out of the old barracks where they meet every day to have a chat, to have a cup of coffee, and that they were there one day, and I asked about them and I got to know some of them and thought, this is interesting what they're doing. Such a simple, clear idea. And you might start out small, you might start out telling people where you live. You know, you might be very cautious, but to learn to trust other people seems extremely important. And Solas provides that opportunity all the time. Talk, don't talk. And they don't pressure people. They don't say, right, talk, it's your turn. You know, it's not like that.
Beir bíonn sé cur fearanúint agus ráin mu teamán sin agus tar éis sin siúlaint bíonn fórum mai.
Tá cáideú go más, tá féin bhainine go más, agus cealam na bhfuil dhéanana fearna solas dothas a bheith se scéama bhfuil.
Me sin mo héin a maithas an áitianta darathú sin agus níl ogla ar a minis mar a bhí mé agus sa solas a mo híal agus tá mé abal aircear an green.
I remember that one of the mottos, one of the slogans of the punks in the 70s was no future. Now for me, that's a motto for depressive people. There is no future, I see no future, I have no future. Well, the Felcara treatment seems to have worked rather well for me because now I have a future.